Hi, this is equal pay. And what we're talking about when we refer to equal pay is not the typical equal pay that you're used to. What I'm talking about today has to do with equal pay when it comes to child support in the state of Missouri. And why am I talking about this? Well, I'm a woman, obviously. You can tell that from my voice. But what I want you to know is that I'm a woman who really believes that equal pay should refer to child support as well as everything else. Women want equal pay when it comes to the work that they do in their career. They want equal access to everything. They want equal, ability to be in the military. Just pick something, and women want to be considered equal. But it seems, though, when it comes to child support, women may not feel quite the same way because in the state of Missouri, as well as many, or all other states really, child support is calculated based on the percentage of income that you make. So why is that? The man didn't donate 80% of the sperm. The way that works is he donates half, you donate half, and you guys come up with a kid. That's how that works. So that's what this side is related to. And that's why we're putting this together, is because I firmly believe, as a woman who has a good career, that, a woman or a man, either way, should not be liable for more than half of what it takes to raise a child. And I think that makes logical sense, at least. On the screen, you can see that there are forms available through the Missouri court system where you can actually file for free, there's a filing fee, but you can actually fill out these forms for free when it comes to child support, calculating your child support. You don't have to have an attorney. And so, for example, on the screen, you can see here's an affidavit for termination of child support. Here's one for acknowledgement agreeing to termination. Here's one for your answer to objecting to the termination of child support. And then there's more down here for, a credit for child support. There's also one on here for your rebuttal to a child support order. When it comes up, you actually can fill out these forms. And I've done this in my county. And when I submitted these to the judge said, "Oh, what are these?" And I'm like, these are the ones that are on the Missouri, the courts.mo.gov website that said that I could fill out. And you have to go through this whole representing yourself section. There's a few videos you have to look through, and you have to sign off on that. And it's a certificate that you get. And I presented that certificate to the judge. And you know what he said? "No, you have to have an attorney." I'm like, "I don't want an attorney. I just want to represent myself." He would not allow it. I had to get an attorney in order to get divorced. Then the following year, I had to get an attorney in order to modify child support because it wasn't set correctly through an attorney. And so this cost me thousands of dollars, and I'm sure many of you out there can relate to that, how you have spent thousands of dollars with your attorney. And if you've had the same experience that I have through an attorney, you'll know that basically all they do is relay the information. You give them the information, they relay it to the other attorney. And then that attorney relays information back to your attorney, and they relay it back to you. They are no more than a person that just is a middleman that communicates information. They do nothing for you. They don't advocate for you. They don't actually do anything for you other than file a form. That's it. It's ridiculous. And then in my county, the judge actually makes you get an attorney. It's absolutely ridiculous. The court system is broken, and the timelines for these kinds of things are absolutely broken as well. It takes 9 months to get a child custody order through. It's ridiculous. The other parent can be withholding the child. Still, they don't care. The judge doesn't care. It's going to take you 3 months just to get into court because the other attorney doesn't have time available. It's absolutely ridiculous. So this particular site is dedicated, this YouTube channel is dedicated to those people out there who have went through what I've went through on multiple occasions. I went through this. My ex has went through this. My current husband has went through this with his modifications through his ex. We have experienced this on multiple times through multiple courts in different counties, and it all works out the same. It takes forever to get things done, and it takes thousands of dollars to get things done. And then if somebody is in contempt Let's say they do withhold your child. You prove that they've withheld your child. Do you know what happens to the other parent? Absolutely nothing, because as soon as they give the child back, they're no longer in contempt. If they move and you don't know where they live for 6 months, doesn't matter, because as soon as they do give you the address, they're no longer in contempt and the court doesn't care. They don't care. That's what's happened with our court system. I wish it wasn't so, and that's again why this YouTube channel was created, for lots of different reasons, from equal pay to fixing the system itself. And we'll go into that further in additional videos that I will post. So that's it for now. And I just wanted to say thank you for listening and look forward to the next one. See you later.